All right, guys. Hey, it's nice to see you. Look where we're at, right next to Mom's house. This house here is going to be right over 2,200 square feet, about 2,240 square feet, a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. I think you'll really like it. Obviously, beautiful stone exterior, but what's cool about it is you've got a lot of living space, a lot of windows. You'll see those upstairs in the game room. Come on in, and we'll show you around.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, here we go. Hey, Nikki. If you're watching this video, hope y'all are having a great, fabulous day. Just wanted to come out here and show you this home, which is the Bowen plan. I'm out here with Craig, checking it out. This is actually my first time checking out this specific plan. And I do have to say that it is actually amazing. There was another floor plan that Kim was interested before she chose this one next door. It was called the Walsh. And I've got a video of that. I'll send it to you. That was also 2 stories, but I'm just telling you right now, it does not compare to this plan, the Bowen. Like Craig said, 2,200 square feet, the 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms before we go upstairs. But yeah, I just really kind of fell in love with this layout. I am not gonna lie. I fell in love with the layout, especially upstairs, the backyard. Really, really cool. We can see a little Chick-fil-A cup there. That's so fun. It's so fun knowing that your mom is right next door. Side yard, wider than 5 feet. As you can tell, Kim has the 5-foot side yard. I think on the other side it is wider, but here you have, it's awesome to have it wider than the typical average 5-foot width side yard, because you can actually put a little storage home for, you know, for all the stuff that would take up regular space in the garage. So yeah, really, really big backyard. 4 trees. That is super nice. This is the half bath. We've got the different tile. One last look at the kitchen. Oh, I just realized the phone is a little crooked. Sorry about if you notice a little bit of a twist, a little crooked angle there. But yeah, little coat closet. And I just want to check out the garage really quick. Pretty wide garage. This is gonna be my favorite part. Look, you're coming up and you're greeted by these 2 picture windows lighting up the way. I mean, look, you even have a little bit of a shadow. I don't know. I might just be really, really into windows that I notice these things. But this, to me, is insane. This is an ultra luxurious touch on a home. Having 2 windows like that. And by the way, when the windows don't open, you know, like this one, like those 2 there, they're called picture windows, because they're just for looking out, not for, you know, functionality or usability, simply for the look and to be able to, you know, picture the view. It's nice that you kind of see like really far, you know, into the horizon, instead of having a, you know, home blocking your entire view. You get a little bit of sky, which translates into more light. And that in part is because it's kind of going down, even slightly, but the land is going down away from us here. So all the homes in back of us are at a lower elevation. Look at this. This is amazing. And I'm not gonna lie, I really just fell in love with these picture windows right here. And you have some greenery that you can see back there too. A lot of trees. That is a nice view. Walking into the primary, you've got a little foyer before you go into the primary. Oh, this is cool. Daylight coming in with those windows. That's perfect. And of course, we've got a huge closet. I love having windows coming into a bathroom. All right, I don't want to make this tour too long for you, but these are the last 3 bedrooms. Utility room right here. And shared bathroom.